Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I welcome you back again on Concept TV. As you all know, your friend Lady V, and today too I have wonderful people with me in the studio. Your sister Telma, your sister Anita Ewahano, and they are common a bay if we say a baba sisano. And then they are come a bed in your person share about relationship. Meaning so what's right and overstraight. Relationship as in marriage, as in boyfriend, girlfriend. We want to treat it. Meaning so best be so just bring down your comment. So without wasting my time, I want to ask my guest, then we go on. Okay, my first question and person maybe some say, you can say relationship. Do you at all believe in relationship as whether in marriage and I say in empanachino and your family? Do you believe in it, Sister Telma?
And because and I'm also you can say empanachino so and a bimudi show mukuno. And they do also this year more doubtful. And no, in pantry there's some moose yamu. Okay. More steady moon start say move to me at na and I say moon to maintain a section no.
Okay, Sister Anita, wait
me say relationship and also now the beshia odofo.
Okay.
Our real relationship. So I believe in it.
Okay, so you watching me, do you believe in relationship? Do you believe in it? If yes, let me know. And let me know the reason why. Okay, my second idea me person share and say we all do believe in relationship. Now when it comes to say age limit now, do you have what way your ban? Because I will address it as oba because I have ladies with me. Next time we will do that as well. Okay, yes, Sister Telma. What way your ban? Do we have a age limit to be said? Who do fear we are? I was say who worry and
Yanka is a society and a age limit no because oba kind of do age be I want say I want to know the age limit at yen so oba utnasi na uche pia and to me do say time I over kwa no to me nyaba what I say and say Obechama wakwa rema unya bantin. It's not with time limit. You can say at 2 years so. What I say, but say young can no credit and time limit in you because time I'll be share with dofuno. Sad time no, and I only need no. Etna, meboa. It's in Patrosana, me to me at you.
Okay, Sister Anita, what you say?
Megan say our age limit anyhow. As Obano and time be ready be no worry, but because of our war our ba ebe umtino ye can no any once a my yin them and a man so moon shed a yin them intino Obano say o worry them na o ma after that no be ball bread be no abo intina omokasa so bad dia so ba uye bibia baby after that worry wow
okay intina say mate mwase a just our no age be edaso
for a man
age be edaso
society aman say the ban your age was so
but won jini say ye this society chia e do baby a very mistake ama yanka say because I do believe it say oba de aware eye awo eye but I believe say any kwan say woman society e decide man but say one kasa wo hwe wo hu at the age of 20 me show me what I'm matured enough. And yeah, me age as them. But my dream, everything, I'm matured enough to get into marriage. Because I quite remember, I know someone or worrying them, but one want them. And yeah, me fault because now I want Emma. Or worry at the age of 20s, but or would 30s. And you know, to me, you know, I believe say we are sound mind of your own. If you are capable to hold the home, because you can't marriage a very broad thing.
Yeah.
It's I believe say well and say my power and say my a good time there to me. But I prefer say so what dream if you know say I'm set and you are going in for it, it's fine. Then say society will decide for you. Okay, so my next question I want to ask is we've tackled it as broad in boyfriend, girlfriend, in marriage. Now I want us to take it step by step. It's per se you tackle from boyfriend, girlfriend. Because from hot, yes, Sister Thelma, I say from a hot na ending into our way. So I want to ask you, Sister Thelma, yeah, funny say wish you be and Nipana approach you. How will you go about it? Because woman met say without a no, you will not know the person. Now wait to me, I enter into our way. It will share me. I approach you. How do you go about it? You being a youth. Some of our youth are there. They want to know some stuff. They want to know some apart from you. So let us know.
Who approach him, you know? First thing, who looks about determined. A woman yakase obakase ohwe luka star be ma no address anase bibia omudwe se oba na e gold digger anase oba no enam sikechi ebi wa enye sikani ntia wa address ye u pie no uti so wa ye no so ye so we ja wa body sa wenunu mu ye wow what ya say anya no nko a star obekasa okay ebi mu o approach wa. Oh, sister, wabambabu. Wow. Oh yes, wabambabu because why is no go be so that as I can't take it. We are modern children. We are technology. Okay. I don't know. Yes. Apple of my eye. Apple of my eyes. I dey. You
phone. Fish in the net.
Yeah, you need Genesis na Peter continue net. No, Jai. It's a say no new West. Okay. New West. It's about looks. It's about how you approach the person. Start on the panel. Ebeka Safa. Okay. And mentality a word too. Okay. Obi wa oba no. Enye na achia semti. Eno oba. Obi wa odo be na tikeke. Obi anoko. Yeah. So concept no. Yati asese. And also our room. Okay. Our room na obana. Okay. So come. Okay. Sister Anita, about your view.
Okay. It's courtship. You can say more both obano opposite sex no mbe mu omuhuyi. Okay. Enti no me say no me metiano. Oyo obema na obepemia. First na me appearance.
Okay, but your Martin appearance. Yes, Sister Thelma boss. Yes, Sister Anita boss, which means appearance is most important.
Yeah. Okay. First na me appearance. Obana ebia yeman say even piercing it's normal cause see an youth no both a man and no
but to bo piercing no me go share papa
that be me case so
okay
piercing is normal but maybe 1 year so I'm going to beat me you okay as my the only
it's 1 year no
that be me cancel enti asma di omu yinte eno kwampo de uni ni pakwane ka so betime but say why rasta tattoo me obema sano me pese obema sano ebe obeba many because who approach me cry and sha me bona ehwe mu na ebefu
okay
and secondly said ye obema no obe carry on wa ode be kasa ode be approach me.
Okay.
Ode be approach me. Na oba na say unim kasa. Respond now me so me de be ma no according to how you approach me.
Okay.
Yeah, it's no style obe kasa no e na ebema even kofo say love ebimu believe say there is love at first sight. Yes, me love at first sight indeed.
Okay.
But ebia style on mbekasa no and na me so me folly ama style kasa na on mbeka no into uba na o kasa anyhow me so me come find interest to be like you are trying to play with me ebia o be so ahe.
Okay. So dey na she.
O be so mahe.
Okay.
E fa le afa amfa obi akọ.
Okay.
Enye dia o je no.
My next question is when we talk of say boyfriend girlfriend, as we all said appearance, said you see kasa, said you be see aye ne hu ni piercing ba ku bi ye wo mu obeyi ni ade eba ne sara eya mu consider age so ka ho ana because matise bebre say age is just a number.
Sure.
Meaning say number be a bo baby o se dey o mate na yes sister Anita eba ne sara do you consider age too? I want to know.
For me, okay, age is not a number. Because you find say over me and I say ye date na with the age no 10 years difference emfa obesa ko be africa enti no e bia me hemi age limit na be boa me a na meti ase but said the amount for say age is just a number no enye me the menti ase esa.
Okay. Yes, sister, tell me.
Age is not a number.
Okay.
Hey, now, so back as I grab a man so your grandpa. That yeah, bet you get it.
Okay.
Now, age is just a number. I can be many 21.
Okay.
Sound to me.
Yeah, funny said, who 21? Age bang, I will feel said to you, no, a year man.
Age gap, and you know, they can say maximum 5 years.
Maximum
5 years.
Okay.
Over 5 years, the young papa age.
And your brown batch, or would you subscribe member?
Don't come.
Okay.
5.
Oh, me the old 6 are major.
Okay.
6 26 27 and normal. But from 28 30 no what
no yeah age now say yeah funny say let me assume say when you're 20 years it's what 20 years no age ben na wo be consider
maybe 20 21 22 even 23 normal 21 22 23 no maybe when they say maybe age like limit omo ba omo no be agro
okay
omo ni
agro
when is babies
okay
normal but from 24 corner
okay
yeah to 27 normal
meant to make the so
okay
make us up to 5 years no the only be age pen so member
okay
because omo no age pen omo dream win pizza
okay omo here milk
exactly once say my mama papa no
mama papa bemba
it's no once say oh dear when you see me oh dear usakra 2 years when you see me 2 years then they go yin na say me no ye the same year dear
okay
I say me ye with Chiba.
Okay thank you so much. Okay and you are not going to share Concept TV. You know, yet your sister Telma, yet your sister Anita, yen pet baby someone like yen poem water too. You know, yes, you yes, you into who I will share and who I would say, you know. Jane, I also prefer. Sure to us here. If you be a baby, you be film. Yes, you have a baby reading a yes, you also a mouth. reply ewase and ye bema reply ewase. And then ye de enkomo twitwini nyina ebesi ha. Ye talking about relationship. Say eye enye age limit da ho. Say na wo bema na wo feel say oyema. Ye de ubesi ha. Ye besan so abo open da sende. Media de Lady V. See you next time. Bye.
Adios.